I was looking for some decor pieces to add to the boho vibe I was attempting in my kitchen, and I could not be more pleased with this beautiful wooden clock from Tomopetime. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this clock is well made, quiet, and gave my kitchen just the look I was going for. I'm a little bit of a fanatic when it comes to wall clocks. I have several in my home, and adding more is never out of the question. But I have to say with all honesty that this one is my favorite. It came well packaged, and right out of the box it was ready to go. All I did was put a battery in it, set it, and hang it. There was no assembly required, and it hung in a matter of moments. The colors and the glossy finish make this clock look outstanding in whatever room I decide to put it in. The company offers several different styles and sizes for you to choose from, so you'll be able to find the perfect one for your room. I've had this clock hanging for a couple of weeks, and I've moved it around to several different places, and it is still quiet and has no scuffs or chips of the paint. So if you're in the market for a bright, beautiful, and functional clock for your office, bedroom, or kitchen, then I think you're going to love this clock as much as I do. And that's my point of view.